We've got something really special here today. This is STEK's new product. This is their paint protection color change film. Now they don't have a ton of colors like vinyl yet, but I'm for sure this industry is gonna blow up considering the depth and color that we have of this purple. So one of the things that excites me most about this STEK product is the depth of the gloss that you actually get with this. Vinyl, your traditional vinyl wrap material, never has a gloss that is as rich as this. Right, Sam?
There is definitely nothing comparable on the market as far as gloss vinyl goes, with just the depth and the minimal amount of even orange peel on this is just crazy.
Well, one of the other things that impresses me the most about it is the fact that paint protection films are self-healing, which is one of the things most people don't actually know, is this thing sits in the sun, all the surface scratches will bake out. So you don't end up with a swirled paint job either, like you would on your traditional dark vehicle.
It might seem as if we just washed this and just drove here, but we definitely just wiped it down.
Yeah, I definitely just was dirty and I wiped it down here in the parking lot, which I would never do that with a black car because it would be scratched. But that's the one thing I've always admired about putting paint protection on an entire vehicle. One of the other key features that I noticed with this STEK product is that they're offering a 10-year warranty. Every other vinyl manufacturer that exists to date for a color change film only allows a 1-year manufacturer warranty. STEK has stepped the game up. We're getting a full, unique color change product with a 10-year warranty. How cool is that? Biggest game changer with this is vinyl is a 2 mil thick product. This is 8.5 mil thick. So this product also has a little bit of rebound to it, where vinyl, when it's cold, it's just brittle and breaks, where this product is paint protection. So give it 10 years, we could potentially take this completely off and we'd have a shiny gloss black car again. One of the other things that I found really impressive is the night I took it out of the shop, it rained and I drove it to dinner and it was covered in, it was filthy, right?
Filthy.
All we did was just power washed it and then wiped it off. Like, it's so hydrophobic. Whatever top coating that STEK uses, I mean, it's basically just as good as some of the ceramic coatings that we install on these vehicles, is what I would say. Would you agree?
Yes, I would absolutely say their hydrophobic coating is definitely noticeable in every aspect as far as washing it.
There really isn't a vinyl product that I found that has any type of hydrophobic property out the gate. We've always installed some type of ceramic glass coating on top of our vinyl wraps because of that. Where this one I don't think needs it, even though I'm curious to try, but I mean, the metallic flake in this is just insane when you look at it in the sun now. There's so much color. But what I was explained by one of the representatives over there is that it's actually automotive grade paint that has been installed on vinyl somehow, and then they put their paint protection film on top, and you've got this glorious color change material that it's gonna be a while till somebody makes something comparable. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you appreciated the STEK's paint protection color change film as much as we do. We're really excited to see how this product is going to wear over time. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next.